Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zebrafish breeding. First, you will need to set up a dedicated breeding tank. Choose healthy adult zebrafish, ideally one female for every 2 males, to maximize your chances of success. Remember to include a spawning substrate, such as marbles or a mesh, at the bottom of the tank. This crucial step helps protect the delicate eggs from being eaten by the adult fish after spawning. For optimal breeding, maintaining precise water parameters is key. Keep the water temperature consistently between 78 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit. The pH level should be stable, ideally ranging from 7.0 to 7.5. A gentle sponge filter is highly recommended to ensure water quality without creating strong currents that could harm the tiny eggs or newly hatched fry. To initiate spawning, introduce your selected adult zebrafish into the prepared breeding tank during the evening hours. Spawning usually commences at dawn, naturally triggered by the first light of morning. It is absolutely essential to remove the adult fish from the breeding tank within a few hours after spawning. This critical step prevents them from consuming the freshly laid eggs. After spawning, carefully collect the tiny eggs from the substrate within a few hours. Gently transfer these precious eggs to a separate rearing tank filled with clean, conditioned water to ensure their safety and development. Once the fry hatch, typically within 2 to 3 days, begin feeding them specialized liquid or powdered fry food several times a day for healthy growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.